Hello everyone, so I was trying to do super resolution on Android using Pytorch Mobile today, and I was trying to read this image and convert it to a tensor, but I could not get the same values as I do in Python and it was causing problems. In Python I read it like this using pillow and it was giving me RGB values between 0 and 1. In Android I tried to use this code snippet from Pytorch Mobile tutorial, but the input tensor values were totally different than what I get in Python. Then I checked these torch vision mean and std constants and saw that these are the mean and standard deviation values of ImageNet dataset. So I replaced them with 000 and 111 arrays respectively, and the problem is solved. Now the image values are identical between Python and Android, which solved the problem in output of my super resolution model. They are consistent across Android and Python now, and then I can continue working on this. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just reach me via email.